Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. This is the last card in my second series of 7 afternoon delights. You're on a little bit of a different angle because the sun is so bright and it's casting shadows everywhere in my room. This is perhaps the easiest card you'll ever make. This is a 4x8 piece of basic black cardstock, or any black cardstock, and it's folded in half and scored and burnished. And then I've taken Broadway bound again, and I've taken this lovely foiled candle design with the black and white and the gold foil. This one I used yesterday, but I used the reverse yesterday. And I've just cut a piece that is 1/8 of an inch or a 3mm on each side, smaller than the base. And then all I'm going to do is I've got a piece of black which measures 2.5 by 2.5, and I've embossed Happy Birthday onto it. Heat embossed it in gold, and that is it. I might add a bit of a bow on just so it doesn't look too boring. And then we've got a super simple yet super stylish and elegant card.